Alright, what's up YouTube? This is Gmo, or Garrett, whatever you want to call me. This is my 98 custom, my X98 custom Milsim Barrett 50 cal. It is completely not stock. Nothing stock about it, except for like that. I gotta fix that. But anyway, yeah, it's complete Milsim. There's videos of it shooting 150 yards on my friend's page. I'll try to put a link, but I think so. Yeah, let's start the review. I oil it and clean it every day, so this is really nice. $75 scope, because I don't cheap when I play. I don't go cheap. 5-point retractable stock, light trigger, safety of course. It's just show clip. Removable barrel. Yeah, let me get this off. Clean. Okay, yeah, pretty little barrel. Clean inside. Yeah, I'm gonna take the cyclone off. Right, let's work our way around. Right. Scope. Dual color. 5-tone. The real military scope. Cyclone feed. Here. I got some paintballs left in here. I'm full. Okay, 1 second. If y'all ever see any cake in here, it's because my mom's a baker. Cyclone. Oh, there's still some in there. Oh. Let me get a flashlight. If you ever meet me in person, I'm very, very cheap, so I don't have a lot of stuff that works. Walking the house, flashlight. First strike round ready. It's custom board, like board out, so you can put first strike rounds in. Yeah, nice, pretty. Nice scope. Really, that's all I can show you about it, because there's really nothing else. I'm actually looking to trade or sell, because I want an electric marker. So I'm a sniper, but sometimes sniping's not necessary. This gun's worth $500, and I'm trying to get my money's worth, because I kind of want to get into speedball, but I don't know. Maryland Hunter Safety Course, my elite hopper with my flurry stickers. Yeah, I'm trying to cover it in stickers eventually. Yeah, bipod, custom. I custom put it on there. Let's see if you saw it. Yeah, okay. It's a real rifle bipod. It's extendable. It's retractable and extendable. The gun weighs 9 pounds, but it's really accurate. I love it, but it's just like, I've won MVP in a scenario with it, 80 kills and 1 death. I got shot once. So, yeah, if you're interested, email me or message me on YouTube or eBay, because it's going to be on there in like 20 minutes. Anyway, peace, YouTube.